Get a green? Give me a green? Alright. I see you, vet. Close this mask real quick. We may be gaining some speed here. Oh, somebody's having a party. Well, where was the invite? Oh man. Is that a Mustang I see? A convertible? Nah. Probably a V6. That was a Popo. Oh, crackle pop, baby. I like it. Okay. I don't know what the fuck she's doing, but she got out of there. Man, it feels so damn good outside. Beamer. Oh. Oh. Looks like I'm gonna have to hawk them down, boys. You better go on the interstate, buddy. Oh, you pansy. What a pansy. Ah, you're lucky as fuck. That is right where you don't speed. Got my first speeding ticket there ever. I'm a Mustang. No good. Alright, here we go. Shit. We already got the cops out. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, at least he's got him and not me. Baby, baby. Okay, we got a Mustang, baby. We got a Mustang. You don't want it. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Mustang, where you at? See ya.